This is the Genesis G90. The fully digital instrument cluster in your Genesis G90 is located right behind the steering wheel and displays important information during operation. To adjust the brightness of the cluster, press the Illumination control switch to adjust the brightness of the display. Note that the Illumination control switch simultaneously adjusts both the cluster and the interior switches. The instrument cluster can be switched between either analog or digital display modes using a switch on the steering wheel. In digital mode, the speedometer is located on the left-hand side, featuring a digital vehicle speed display. On the right side of the cluster are a collection of selectable widgets. When set to analog gauge modes, the speedometer will change to a classic analog appearance, with a tachometer appearing on the right side of the cluster. For either mode, the numbers on the bottom left indicate the current driving range. Just above or next to, that is the fuel level indicator. Centrally located along the bottom of the cluster are the following: ambient temperature, instant fuel economy, which changes frequently as the vehicle is accelerated, and the average fuel economy. From the settings menu in the infotainment screen, the average fuel economy display can be set to automatically reset after the vehicle is turned on or after refueling. The remaining two gauges at the bottom right of the cluster are the engine coolant temperature and the odometer. Centrally located in the instrument cluster is the LCD display, which features three different view modes. These view modes can be selected by toggling up or down on the steering wheel control switch. The normal view mode displays trip information or widgets without background information. The map view mode displays map and navigation-related information. The driving assist view mode displays information from the driver assistance systems. Note that the information shown may differ depending on the functions available to your vehicle. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.